Do you understand English but find it difficult to speak? Then this video is for you. Today we are going to practice 50 everyday English sentences through simple and real life conversations. Listen carefully, repeat after me and try to speak each sentence aloud. Don't worry about making mistakes, just keep practicing. So, are you ready to improve your spoken English? Let's get started.
तुला काय खरेदी करायचं आहे?
What do you want to buy? What do you want to buy?
मला काही कपडे खरेदी करायचे आहेत.
I want to buy some clothes. I want to buy some clothes.
तुला हा रंग आवडतो का?
Do you like this color? Do you like this color?
हो, मला हा रंग खूप आवडतो.
Yes, I really like this color. I really like this color.
तुमच्याकडे यापेक्षा मोठा आकार आहे का?
Do you have a larger size than this? Do you have a larger size than this?
हो, मी तुम्हाला दाखवतो.
Yes, I'll show you. Yes, I'll show you.
हे किती रुपयाचं आहे?
How much is this? How much is this?
हे 500 रुपयाचं आहे.
It's 500 rupees. It's 500 rupees.
यावर काही डिस्काउंट आहे का?
Is there any discount on this? Is there any discount on this?
हो, 10% डिस्काउंट आहे.
Yes, there's a 10% discount. Yes, there's a 10% discount.
तू बसने जाणार आहेस का?
Are you going by bus? Are you going by bus?
हो, मी बसने जाणार आहे.
Yes, I'm going by bus. Yes, I am going by bus.
बस किती वाजता येते?
What time does the bus arrive? What time does the bus arrive?
बस 10 मिनिटांमध्ये येईल.
The bus will arrive in 10 minutes. The bus will arrive in 10 minutes.
हे तिकीट किती रुपयाचं आहे?
How much is this ticket? How much is this ticket?
हे तिकीट 50 रुपयाचं आहे.
The ticket is 50 rupees. The ticket is 50 rupees.
तू कुठे उतरणार आहेस?
Where are you getting off? Where are you getting off?
मी पुढच्या स्टॉपवर उतरणार आहे.
I am getting off at the next stop. I am getting off at the next stop.
आपण योग्य बसमध्ये आहोत ना?
We are on the right bus, aren't we? We are on the right bus, aren't we?
हो, काळजी करू नकोस.
Yes, don't worry. Yes, don't worry.
काय झालं? तू एवढा शांत का आहेस?
What happened? Why are you so quiet? What happened? Why are you so quiet?
काही नाही, मी फक्त थोडा थकलो आहे.
Nothing, I am just a little tired. Nothing, I am just a little tired.
तुला काही काळजी वाटते का?
Are you worried about something? Are you worried about something?
हो, मला उद्याच्या कामाची थोडी चिंता आहे.
Yes, I am a little worried about tomorrow's work. Yes, I am a little worried about tomorrow's work.
त्याची काळजी करू नकोस.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
सगळं ठीक होईल.
Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine.
आपण आज संध्याकाळी भेटूया का?
Shall we meet this evening? Shall we meet this evening?
हो, किती वाजता?
Sure. What time? Sure. What time?
7 वाजता चालेल का?
Will 7 o'clock be okay? Will 7 o'clock be okay?
हो, मला चालेल.
Yes, that works for me. Yes, that works for me.
हॅलो, तू कुठे आहेस?
Hello, where are you? Hello, where are you?
मी घरी आहे.
I am at home. I am at home.
तू मला फोन का केला?
Why did you call me? Why did you call me?
मला तुझ्याशी काहीतरी बोलायचं आहे.
I wanted to talk to you about something. I wanted to talk to you about something.
काय झालं सांग ना.
What happened? Tell me. What happened? Tell me.
आपण उद्याची मीटिंग पुढे ढकलू शकतो का?
Can we postpone tomorrow's meeting? Can we postpone tomorrow's meeting?
हो, आपण ते संध्याकाळी ठेवू शकतो.
Yes, we can have it in the evening. Yes, we can have it in the evening.
ठीक आहे, मी तुला वेळ कळवतो.
Okay, I'll let you know the time. Okay, I'll let you know the time.
तुला काय खायचं आहे?
What would you like to eat? What would you like to eat?
मला एक व्हेजिटेबल सँडविच हवा आहे.
I would like a vegetable sandwich. I would like a vegetable sandwich.
तुला काही प्यायला हवा आहे का?
Would you like something to drink? Would you like something to drink?
हो, मला एक ग्लास ऑफ ज्यूस हवा आहे.
Yes, I would like a glass of juice. Yes, I would like a glass of juice.
तुला तिखट आवडतं का?
Do you like spicy food? Do you like spicy food?
हो, पण खूप तिखट नको.
Yes, but not too much spicy. Yes, but not too much spicy.
तुझं जेवण आलं आहे का?
Has your food arrived? Has your food arrived?
हो, आत्ताच आलं.
Yes, it just arrived. Yes, it just arrived.
जेवणाची चव कशी आहे?
How does the food taste? How does the food taste?
खूप छान आहे.
It tastes really good. It tastes really good.
बिल मागवूया का?
Shall we ask for the bill? Shall we ask for the bill?
हो, आता निघायलाच हवं.
Yes, we should leave now. Yes, we should leave now.